Hello beautiful family, welcome to my channel. In today's video, what I have for you is how to make potato fiesta recipe. This is the result of it all. Follow me inside to know how I came up with this delicious and tasty fiesta. To begin, let's first of all debone and flex the mackerel fish we are using. I use only salt, curry powder, thyme and onion to season the mackerel fish. Alright, please note that. Once I'm done deboning the fish, I will as well go ahead to shred the cooked chicken, and this is of course chicken breast. This is the only chicken that is required for fiesta. Alright, and for those of you who asked in my previous video of fiesta if they can use two different protein at a go, yes you can, and what I am doing here is a perfect answer to that particular question. Lest I forget, I have a face video of this fiesta. Please check it out down the description box. Okay, you might prefer that. Next, let's introduce all our ingredients. Since we are done deboning and shredding all the shredders, I got here shredded chicken, debone and flex mackerel fish, carrots, red bell pepper, green bell pepper, minced Scotch bonnet pepper and onion. In here I got curry powder, minced seasoning powder, salt, sliced tomatoes, parboiled diced Irish potato, melted butter. You can as well use vegetable oil if that is what you have. All-purpose flour, this is about 2 tablespoons, and lastly eggs. Use egg depending on how many people you are making it for. Alright, in a clean bowl, crack in the eggs. By the way, I am using 6 eggs. Alright, you can use as many eggs as you wish depending on how many people you are making the fiesta for. As I earlier said, the egg has been washed. Please make sure you wash your egg because that is very important. Once I'm done cracking the egg, I will go ahead to whisk the egg, and I don't have to over whisk because we don't over whisk fiesta's egg. And with that, I will add my minced onion and Scotch bonnet pepper and mix to combine. Once I'm done doing that, I will also go ahead to add the all-purpose flour and mix again to combine. On this particular stage, make sure everything is well mixed so that there will be no lumps. Okay, just like so. Yes, we'll go ahead now to add all the vegetables mentioned earlier and also mix. Once after mixing, I will also go ahead to add all the seasoning mentioned earlier, and I will as well mix very well to combine. Please, this is a quick reminder in case you miss where I mentioned the name of the vegetable used or the name of the seasoning used. Please do check down the description box for their name. Alright, next is to add the shredded chicken and the fish as well and mix very well to combine. You can use any protein of your choice as I earlier said, okay, because our choice differs. Please note, mixing everything very well at this stage is extremely important so that none of the ingredients will go and pack one side. Okay, once we are done mixing this very well, this is just good to add the diced parboiled potato and the melted butter just for it to be glossy. Just a kind of shiny and being attractive. That is all. English don't be anybody made to. Next is to check and balance the taste, and this is just balanced and so delicious as usual. Since everything is well balanced, next is to pour the mixture in any baking powder that you have. Please make sure you prime the baking powder with butter and a little flour before using it, so as for the fiesta to be very easy to come out after baking. Once everything is well set, take to a preheated oven and bake under 180 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. While the baking of the fiesta is going on, let's prepare some natural juice that we will be using to enjoy the fiesta. You can as well use smoothie or even enjoy it like that, but we are using orange and pineapple natural juice to enjoy ours. And 30 minutes later, beautiful family, our tasty and delicious fiesta is ready, and this is so beautiful. Cut to your desirable shape and sizes and enjoy. Hope you enjoy doing this with me. If you do, please subscribe to our channel with your bell on to be notified anytime we upload a new video. Like the video, share the video to your families and friends, and drop your beautiful comment. From me and all my crew, thank you so much for watching. Always remain blessed, and we will see you right in our next video. Bye bye.